Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jenna Ortega, so let's get started. To draw cute Jenna, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So there are my two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now that my eyes in, let's come to the top right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So I'll come right about here and just draw a curve, maybe another one at the top, and same thing here. Curve it out and then maybe another one. There, and then let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, come slightly upwards, and then cap it off. Then we're going to start to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close to these lashes. So say about right here, right, basically where that lash is. And we're going to basically draw a bottom of a U. So I'm going to start to curve around her eye. And I'm going to find my center. So I'm just imagining this curve coming down. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to basically just go ahead and draw a curve that comes down. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to help you draw this curve. So I'll bring that to my point, and same thing here. And we're just going to connect this. There, so framed her face. It's always the hardest part for me. It's so delicate. So then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're just going to imagine she has this very high, the bangs, right? So I'm going to say nice and high. Let's just say about right here, right in the center for her bangs. We're going to start them and we're going to come down right here, close to her eye for one strand. And then we're going to come down again. We're going to get really close to her eye and to where we started and just curve it out. And then same thing over here, but just more simpler. We're just going to curve it all the way down and out. So now we need to put in her brows. So it's missing, right? So we're going to go up and say about right here where it usually would be. And I'm just going to imagine drawing a soft curve. But I'm only going to draw the front part of it. That's why I'm waiting for the end to do this. I have to draw her bangs in first. So same thing about here. So imagine if you were drawing a soft curve across, but you're only drawing the front part of it. There. So now it looks a little bit better, right? It's just so weird without the eyebrows. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go straight up. So about right here, nice and high. And then we're going to come down with a curve on both sides. And let's bring this down. And close to her, where her ears would be, and we're just going to come out. So same thing over here. Just draw a curve coming down. And then I'll leave it for now. And then let's come in here. If you want to give her some earrings, let's come about right here. And I'm going to draw a strand. So you don't really see her ears, but you might see her earrings. So we're just going to pop in this little sliver right here. And you can color it right there. So just gonna curve it out, and then in this little space right here, we're just gonna tuck in these dangling earrings just to spruce it up. There. Okay, so we'll finish the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's draw her body first. So let's come about right here in the center, and we're gonna give her a little neck, and we're gonna come down for these beautiful shoulders and out. So right here, I love this dress of hers. Come down right there. And then now that we have her shoulders in, I'm going to imagine kind of like where her armpit area would be. And I would say about right here and about here. I'm just going to go straight across about right here. Give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to come here and draw a soft curve all the way across. There. And then I'm going to come back into this area, and we're going to start to draw her bodice. And let's bring this down a little bit more for this cute black dress that she's wearing. It was just so hard to figure out what to have her wear. It's always the hardest part when I draw these drawings. So then from there, I'm going to come back into this space right here where her shoulders are, and I'm going to draw in a curve. And same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and work on the rest of her dress right here. So this is her waist, and then we're going to pop this part out for her skirt part. So we're going to pop this cute little bottom part here, nice and poofy, bring it out, and come down. Let's say about right there. And now that I'm pretty level, I'm going to go ahead and just connect it at the bottom here with a curve. All the way across and up. There. Okay, and then let's see here. Now to draw her legs, I'm just going to make them really simple. So let's say right here will be her center. So I'm just going to give myself 2 lines right here. So 2 little dots, I mean. So here and there. So I just kind of know where I'm going to go. And let's come over here. So I'll work on this leg first. About right here. And I'm just going to angle this down. So bear with me here as I keep going. And it's going to get thinner as we go. So this is just a simpler way to draw legs, right? You don't have to draw the knees or anything. We're just going to go straight down. Okay, and then about right here, kind of like where her ankles are, we're going to start to curve in. We're going to curve in this way a little bit more. So, and then about right here, I'm going to curve it out for her shoe. Nice and pointy, and curve it back. And so this part would be a little bit straighter, and then it's going to connect. There. So it's very subtle, but just try to make this shoe come in this way a little bit more. So let's do the same thing on this side. So same thing, we're doing about right here where her ankles are, we're going to curve in this way. Just a little bit more on this side. And then once again, we're just going to curve it back to this area and then this side. So ankle, and then this part comes straight down. And about right here where her shoe is, just connect it. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come in here for some details. We're going to come right here and draw a curve. And then she has this little strap on her ankle. So we'll come right here and draw a curve. So same thing here. Little strap, and then her shoe. And what's awesome about shoes is really high, right? So I'm going to use this as my point. Come straight down, and then we're going to connect. There, makes her extra tall. So same thing here. Just going to bring this down. and connect there. Okay, so we're done with her shoes. Let's go ahead and draw her hands and her arms. So we're going to come about right here, and I'm just going to have her arms hang out about in this area before the dress ends. So let's come right here, and I'm going to curve in a little bit and then out. Then let's come back into this area, and we're just going to thicken it up. Follow that curve to about right here, and in to nice simple sleeves. And so in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little thumb, round it off for some fingers, and same thing here. So right in this area where her waist is, just draw a curve, and once again we're going to thicken it up. So let's drag this point across, make sure we're about the same area, and connect. And once again, a little thumb, and round it off for her hands, fingers. There. Okay, so then now for some details. Let's come to the center right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line. You can put a little line here as well for her armpit area, and then very subtle, I'm going to draw these two lines just to give her dress some definition. Right here on both sides, and then so this ends where the curve would be for her waist, and then it comes out, and then you can very softly there, so it just gives her dress some definition. Of course everything's black, so probably doesn't even matter, but I wanted you to see. You could add that. And then let's see, now let's finish her beautiful hair. So I'm going to come right here, and we can just maybe add a little strand that comes out and back in. So same thing here, add a little strand, and then you can just bring it in. There, and oh, and let's give her a beautiful necklace. So I'm just going to simplify and just put a little heart right here for her necklace. Little heart, and connect it. So hopefully Jenna loves my drawing of her. Definitely let her know if you're a fan of hers that I drew her, and I hope she loves it and you guys love it too. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I inspired you to draw Jenna here cute and fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.